When I was a kid, I was terrified of roller coasters, and my mom had a way of encouraging me to get on them, but some of the ride operators really made a difference.
I chose to work at a Cedar Fair park because I wanted something unique and fun.
I saw that all the employees were just having a lot of fun, and I wanted to be that awesome person talking on the microphone, making everybody smile and laugh.
We usually get here an hour before the park opens so we can clean the rides, make sure everything's working properly.
We do a lot of safety procedures at our ride.
And as guests start flying into the park, I realized that I need to bring my A game.
I make sure that I'm always smiling and I always have a good attitude. Especially with little kids, I like to give out high fives, or I'm like, hey, how was it?
If I can make the children happy, the parents will be happy.
I like to get to know everybody on my crew.
I like to make it more of a family experience. I want them to be really welcome. They're a guest, they're not a customer.
Sometimes I'll crack a joke here and there and make them laugh, and just make sure that they're having the most fun that they possibly could have.